And here we go. Alright, we got a little bit of the winds going on here. Making your life an adventure. Oh, wow. Wow. Hey, what's going on? So, we are in the back deep woods of Georgia today on a hunt for a cave, supposedly near a waterfall. Whew, it's humid out here. So, we're gonna go see if we can try and find it. Been hiking for about 7 hours. Now I was told like the opening of the cave, it's a vertical drop right at the beginning, so I don't have any rope. I'm not planning on really exploring the cave. I just wanted to try and find it. Supposedly the cave is supposed to be haunted or something. Some kid fell as soon as he went into the cave. I think you have to like crawl into it at first or something that has extreme vertical drop. And fell to his death. Actually quite a few people, that's what I heard, is fallen as soon as they go into the cave. So supposedly it's haunted. I don't know. But either way, let's see if we can find it. All right. So I made it to the waterfalls. Rumor has it there's supposed to be a cave entrance and opening somewhere along here. I came from that way, and this has got to be the waterfalls. So let's explore. It's supposed to be along the side somewhere, or might be down at the bottom. I'm not sure. Let's give it a look-see, see if we can find something. Gotta be careful though, I gotta cross the water here. Alright. Now it might be down there at the bottom maybe? I'm not sure. Let's walk along here. I might have passed it. I've been back that way. It's slippery here. Whoa, there it is! Oh! Oh, check it out! That's gotta be it. That's gotta be it. Oh yeah, that's definitely gotta be it. That looks amazing. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is cool. I didn't bring a light though. Yeah, you need rope too. It's gonna drop. That's so cool. Wow. That's it. That's it right there. Oh wow. Yeah, so it's got a vertical drop right at the cave opening. If you don't have rope, you're not gonna get down there. And I don't have any. I kind of knew this going ahead of time. Someone said that's what the case was. But no, I just wanted to try and find it, man. That was cool. Yeah, there's the cave entrance right there. You could almost walk right past it. That's it right there. Pretty cool.